There is an art to making the perfect coffee, and today we're going to show you just how to do that. First of all, it's all about your bean selection. So here I've got some really good organic beans that have been freshly roasted. You need to make sure that they have been, otherwise you're going to be using really old beans. So all I need to do first is...
Hey Woz.
Hi Kerry. We're in the middle of a take. I'm just trying to show you how to make the perfect coffee.
What, so you need all of this to make the perfect coffee?
Well, yeah, that's what our video's about.
Get with the program, you don't need all of this anymore. I'll make you a coffee.
Okay.
I have a machine, you just touch a button and it makes barista quality at home, and it's awesome. Yeah, sorry, I'll make you a coffee, I'll be back.
Okay.
Don't miss me, I'll be back.
Okay, game on. Okay, we've got to take that again now, let's start.
You still going, Woz?
Yeah, almost done.
I'm on my second.
That actually looks pretty good.
Yeah, 1.5 sugars, right?
Yeah.
It's nice crema. Barista quality.
That actually tastes really good.
Should we have another one?
Damn it. Yeah, can you give me another? I'll finish this one. Just make me another.
I'll get you another.